These are some of the highlights from my trip on the Trans-Wisconsin Adventure Trail. Day 0.5, I took a half day to get from home to Herbster, Wisconsin. That's a mistake already. High centered. $289.2 for the day. Here's camp. Seems like there's a trail back here. I might walk back a little ways once I get everything situated, but either that or I'll have deer, or bear, or porcupines, whatever, walking right through camp. It is so quiet here, other than the wildlife. Well, I got my camp essentials. Little fire going. So when I was in town getting a lighter, because I forgot that, and then ended up whiskey just fell into my hand, so I bought that too. But while I was in town, must have been the two local characters. One of them ran the place in the gas station in Cornucopia, Wisconsin. The other guy's from an excavating company, but they're talking about how it'd be so handy if we would have kept our prehensile tail instead of choosing to evolve and lose it. Of course, I hit him with the Douglas Adams. I think it was a mistake coming out of the water, but that was fun. And then when the one guy left, he goes, "Bye, I love you," and the other guy just kind of laughed it off. So already running into local color, which is fine. But yeah, I'm eating stuff I brought with because the fad radish, something or other in Cornucopia was so busy. I thought, nah, I'll just come out here and listen to the trees and the fire and eat this junk. So all I've got to do right now is listen to Lake Superior and the wind through the trees and the fire, which is really nice. There's little to no cell phone signal. It's basically just enough to send a text message, but I did get to call the kids tonight. So, you know, if I had cell phone signal, I'd be on Facebook or Reddit or watching a show or something. But instead, I get to turn my brain off and just listen to nature. which is really, really nice for a change.